Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Many customs and traditional ways of behaviors are no longer relevant to the modern life and no worth keeping it. Do you agree or disagree? The changing world has brought different perceptions towards the way customs and traditions are viewed, as these are considered outdated. This is the reason of people are willing to abandon them, as they are seen less valuable. However, ignoring these can result into the detachment to the cultural identity, social stability, and morals. To start with the need to preserve the cultural heritage, the unique identity has been given to us by our culture and tradition. These connect us to our roots, which has been passed down from our ancestors, further shaping our social identity. We grew up listening to the stories specifically related to our ancestors and learning morals, as these always leave a message. Further, these strengthen our social bonds by reminding us of our past, which differentiating us from others. The celebrations during festivals such as Diwali, Lohri are not only religious ones but also provide a platform to unite with our family and community. Therefore, forgetting them can jeopardize our existence and the uniqueness of our cultural identity. In addition to, traditional behavior often promotes respect towards elders and valuing them, as these practices were common in past. In today's mechanical life, individualism and selfishness are on rise, and these customs emphasize to nurture harmony and empathy in society. For instance, in Japan, traditional etiquettes like bowing still exist alongside modern technology-driven life, reflecting how traditions can coexist with progress. Admittedly, some rituals may indeed become irrelevant or even harmful, such as superstitions or discriminatory practices against certain groups, so these should be reformed or abandoned. However, dismissing all traditions as worthless would mean erasing important cultural wisdom that has guided societies for centuries. In conclusion, although not every traditional practice is suitable for today's world, yet many customs still hold immense significance. They are worth preserving because they provide cultural continuity, social harmony, and moral direction. Therefore, rather than discarding them, societies should embrace traditions that enrich modern life. A balanced approach is to retain meaningful traditions while adapting them to contemporary lifestyles. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.